building wealth through corporate structures. And basically, when I talk about corporate structures, it's basically how corporates or companies are run. So for example, utapata before upate approvals, there's a whole system to it. If it's sending emails, there's always a system of doing things. You have employees, you have managers, you have supervisors, like it's a whole system. So you can't just wake up and give approvals on just anything. So when we talk about you building wealth, you want to be able to build wealth in that direction because there are some benefits that come with it. First things first, you want to set up a legal business entity like a limited company, because with a limited company you tend to separate your personal assets and your business assets, and in case of any liabilities, then wewe mwenyewe you're not really involved. Everything is going back to the company, so unabaki at least when you're a bit safe. Okay, so with this, it's always easier to access capital when you're a corporate rather than an individual, because you can always end up like selling some equities, and that is basically selling some shares so that you can let your business grow, and it's much easier. Then we have tax benefits, whereby compare wewe as an individual and as a company, there are always some expenses which can save you on a lot, like the rent of your office, the equipment that you have. And when you tend to save on that, then you can be able to reinvest that money and be able to make more money for yourself in that business. Then when we talk about wealth creation, you tend to create and increase your wealth by selling some shares and retaining the earnings or receiving dividends. Over time, this builds a serious income stream if you do it right. Okay, then of course there's the legacy and continuity of that biashara, because in case something happens to you, then it means that business will continue running since the structures have already been done and it's been over a whole duration. Ata sazile you're traveling and all that, the business still continues to run. So ata ile siku you're no longer there, the business will still run, and your beneficiaries and your next of kins can be able to benefit on that, and that tends to build sustainable wealth. Because at the end of the day, if you're building wealth and at the end of it haitakuwa sustainable for generations and generations to come, then it means you're not really doing anything. Yeah, you might as well just not do it. So that is one way you can be able to build wealth using the corporate structure, and take advantage of it when you can. Please do. In case you would want to have a one-on-one session to discuss on various matters finance, kindly reach out. Let's discuss, let's learn, and make better financial decisions. I hope you have learned something today, and I'll be seeing you next time. Bye.